So if you've ever used Jupyter Notebook to code Python before, you've probably been wondering if there's any way that you could debug in a visual way like you can with Visual Studio or an application like that. There is, and the way I'm going to show you is through pixiedust. So you probably don't have pixiedust installed on your computer right now. So the way that you can install it is with this code right here, in this block, you can just copy it into a cell in your notebook and then just run it, and it'll install onto your computer. It might take a second. I already have it installed, but I'll just press it again. Oh, first I have to stop running my pixiedust down here, my debugging. So after that, this will run, and it'll show that I already have everything installed. Your next step is to import pixiedust. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, run that code. And then what you have to do is just in whatever cell you're trying to debug, you can put this code at the top, and then you have to specify your breakpoint. So I want to show that I'm going to be debugging this function right here, sum array that I've created. So you just put -b and then space and the function that you are trying to debug. And then if you run that, you'll have a whole console here that you can look at. You can use this button to step over the current line that you're on. You can step into your current line with this function. You can use this to step out of whatever function that you're in. You can use this to move one frame up the stack trace and move this button to move one level down the stack trace. And then you can stop your whole thing with this button. I'll just give an example of stepping through my function right here and seeing what it's doing. I have a for loop, and it'll show that I can go through that for loop, but if I get tired of being in this, I can step out of it, and then it'll go to the return statement, and then I can end once I've gotten the information that I need to out of debugging.